Our talk today is in celebration of Herbalists, of our unique journeys, and we wanted to share a recipe that kind of toasts to Herbalists everywhere. That's a celebratory cheers, and this recipe comes from a new project that we've been working on, and it is called the Botanical Mixed Drinks Recipe Book. It's the second book in a recipe book collection, and we're so excited to offer this up in about 2 weeks. But this is just a sneak peek. We're sharing 82 cocktails and mocktails in this book, inspired by the seasons, using herbs, of course. So today we want to share Spring Sting, which includes ginger syrup, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and nettle tea. And we do love nettle at the Herbal Academy. Jane, why don't you tell us all about that?
Nettle is one of the early spring greens, so it's a welcome harbinger of the growing season to come. It's a super nutritive ingredient that can be used in the kitchen. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, and it's also part of the herbal toolkit, both as an alternative, which can be helpful to kick off a gentle spring cleanse, as well as support for allergies due to its antihistamine action. It can be utilized as a tea or a tincture or a long steeped herbal infusion, depending kind of on what you're going for. And it can also be used in place of leafy greens anywhere you'd use those. So perhaps like throw some into a smoothie, or entrees. I like to use it in lasagna as you would spinach, or throw it into stir fries and sautés, or pestos. It's great in pestos with other leafy greens or herbs, or on its own. So it's pretty versatile, and you don't have to worry about the sting, because whether you blend it, you dry it, or you cook it, those will all neutralize the sting. I find nettle to be a foundational herb for me. It's safe, it's nutritive, and it has some important lessons for us if we take time to learn those from the plant. And I will drink it throughout the week as basically a foundational tonic nutritive herb, in either on its own or with other herbs in a blend. And I think quite a lot of herbalists enjoy it that way, for sure. It's the star of this recipe, which gets a little bit of a twist with ginger and lemon. And just to make, kind of a fun, festive, refreshing drink. You can enjoy it as a mocktail. You could also use vodka, enjoy it as a cocktail. So there genuinely is, an option for everyone and for every occasion. This recipe is from something new and special from Herbal Academy, which is our Botanical Mixed Drinks recipe book. And this is kind of an extension of our Botanical Mixed Drinks workshop that launched last summer. And we're super excited that this is going to be available in a couple weeks here in April. This book was a beautiful collaborative process amongst the whole Herbal Academy team. And it was also a lot of fun to work on. And I wanted to read a paragraph from the acknowledgements section. This book wouldn't be complete without a special mention for Herbal Academy founder Marlene Adaman, who was a lover of herbalism and a consummate host who always went the extra mile to offer a welcoming cup of tea, an herbal kombucha, or a creative botanical drink to coworkers, friends, family, and guests. It is in that spirit that we extend this heartfully crafted, carefully curated collection of festive recipes to you. Cheers! And wishing you happy Herbalist Day.